So the big picture for this lesson is tangents to a circle and circumscribed angles. So first of all, a tangent line intersects a circle in one point. Here you can see a tangent line in the point of tangency. And if you have a tangent, it is perpendicular to the radius at the point of tangency. That's the tangent radius theorem. And you can use that information to solve for unknown measures, like in this case, solving a side in the right triangle using the Pythagorean theorem. The converse of the tangent radius theorem lets you prove that if a line is perpendicular to the radius at a point on the circle, then it must be a tangent. So you can use that to determine whether or not you have a point of tangency or a tangent line. So you're trying to determine if you have a right triangle here, basically. Then you have the tangent secant theorem, that if you have a point not on the circle and there are two tangent lines for a circle, then those tangent lines are congruent to each other. So if A and B are both points of tangency, then segment AD is congruent to segment BD. Circumscribed angle is an angle formed by two rays from a common endpoint that are tangents to a circle. A circumscribed angle is an angle formed by two tangent rays to a circle. So this angle ADB, that's a circumscribed angle. A circumscribed angle and its associated central angle are supplementary. So angle D and angle ACB are supplementary to each other. So you can use that to solve for unknown angle measures. So if you know the circumscribed angle, you can solve for the central angle by knowing they're supplementary and they should add to equal 180 degrees. And also there's a little coordinate geometry in this lesson. So if you have a circle in the coordinate grid, you can find coordinates of the center, and you can also do equations of lines for the points of tangency. So for example, the tangency for both circles A and B is this line y equals -6. So that's what you're going to be doing in this lesson. You're dealing with tangents, you're going to deal with circumscribed angles, you're going to solve for unknown angle measures, write and solve equations, and also a little bit of coordinate geometry using circles and tangent lines. That's the big picture for this lesson.